Before to start the project, you tap the command limits and as original points I choose 00, and for upright points I choose 500, command 500. So the command limits allow me to see the real dimension of the project. So I have a big project, so that I choose 500, 500. If you want to have 500 40 197, it's the next command. It's units. Units allow me to see the real units for the project. Here I choose the number 6, it's meters. For the rest suggestion I tap enter. For to save the numerical format of my real dimension of the numerical format of the longer of my dimension of project. Now I tap L, means lines, as command, and I choose 200 as a longer. And I design the second piece. So as of information that you must justify that you have orthogonal as a command activated, so it's so necessary in this just for design the input. So I designed the second piece, the longer it's about 500 meters, and now the third piece it's about 800 meters. So as you see, you must justify that you have the command of orthogonal activated, especially when you try to design an object more well, contain more the details in the next of project. I pass to another command, so arc. I choose this option, arc with 3 points. So for to design this type of arc I need to determine 3 points. The first point is the start, the second is the center of my arc, and the 3 is the final point. So I tap the command orthogonal, ortho, and I tap enter. I deactivated in, so I deactivated this command for to design a line in a different direction than horizontal or vertical. So as I say, the orthogonal allow me to design a line in just in two directions, horizontal or vertical. But if I want to design a line in a different angle, I must deactivate it for to have this choice. But if you remark, the angle of the design it's not showed. So if you have this problem, or if you if you find yourself in this situation, you can design a line but the angle not showed. You click here, click in the parameter, and you select this case. Just in the angle of accrementation of the angle, it's 5, and you click OK. So now as you click OK, and of course if you test, you see the angle and the longer of line. So as you see, this is the position of 0 degrees, 90 degrees, 180 degrees. So in this organization you have your angle of design, so remember. So we continue. I design a line for 800, and now for this line I choose 1000 meters. So 1000 meters for the final parts or final piece of the first part that represent the input, and for the length of line that will be separate the first part of garden, then the second part as a longer 1000 meters. So the rule of this line not just as a limiter from the first part and the second part of garden, but I use it to use another command, the command mirror. So for this I design another line from the medium of these pieces. So I try again. I pass of the medium of the pieces and I design another line, and I click to the command mirror. I select these pieces for the first part of the garden, and I click enter. I select this line as the trajectory for to have the similar things in the other part, and I click enter. So as you see, this is the utility of the command mirror. Have the same thing in other side in time sure. So facilitate this operation. I tap circle for to design a circle on the in this point. So the center of the garden is the same original for this circle, and I delete this piece because the rule is finished, and I complete to design the first part of the garden. So I think the last pieces it's not okay, so I delete it and I try again. So always focus on the green rectangle that it's appeared when you design for to have the good the good position of your pieces. So I do the same thing with the second parts. So see you for the next video.